Este grave problema se ve agravado en Galicia por la existencia de importantes redes criminales dedicadas al tráfico de drogas.
Gracias a todos vos por esta convocatoria y este séptimo ano de Panos Blancos en Ribeira e no Barbanza. Viva a música e viva a loita e o fútbol tamén e os goles contra, ojalá, contra a droga a partida. Xa adiantándonos a esta noite, espero que xa de xogo olímpico.
Dirigiéndose contra o narcotráfico. Aí.
I was proven effective by clinical tests because some couldn't come to believe I was the best, so they tested me. And now they in the clinic, they almost arrested me because I did it. But I didn't mean to do it, but you had to mess with me, and then you blew it. Now you got to chew it, and swallow it all. I guess that's the way that you bounce the ball, or something like that. My mother always told me, your mother always told me, baby homie, don't get mad because you don't get cheese, and I get extra cheese like pizza. You can't keep your girl because you can't please her. But let's get back to the fact that's being proven. So let me prove it, come on, let's move it. Come on. Spent time with the rhyme like a person, rehearsing like a verse in a chapter of a play, but I rapped her. Not make money though, you might find it funny, but hey, I do it cause I like it. Plus it is constructive, enriching to the mind cause it's mentally productive, and I am one.
Da vella escola.
sale una gaviota, ya van a decir, mira,
qué chulo. Esa es miniserie.
Decimos basta, decimos que ya está bien de tanta farsa. Decimos no, decimos basta, decimos que ya está bien de tanta farsa. Decimos no, decimos basta, decimos que ya está bien de tanta farsa. Decimos no, decimos basta, decimos que ya está bien.
Artur, ¿qué te pasa?
Flipas tanto.
A ver, Artur, ¿qué se siente al tener el pie así? Cuéntanos.
¿Eh? Cuéntanos. ¿Qué ahorita? Que ahora está puerta,
Ah, me la quieres liar ahí delante de... ¡Oh, que tiene el elegiste! Lo siento.